Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that back. Get it around the ship. Thank you, thank you. Chasing it? Chasing it, I think. Yeah, shark. Maybe.
Got a school of dolphins. Maybe 400 or 500 of them.
Oh, we got two nice ones.
Got him.
Woohoo! Beautiful.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Captain Ron's hooked one.
Oh, man. Yeah.
Number 4.
Run.
Number 4.
Beautiful. Oh, he's getting cranky. Sean, number 6.
Hey.
You can run, but you can't hide.
Well, everyone's saying a lot.
Number 7.
Cold. Came in easy.
Wow, that's the easiest one yet.
Hey, Ron. There, look at this old guy here.
El Double.
Woo!
Oh, that's a good one.
Number 8.
He doesn't like the look of Brian. That gringo is too ugly. I'm not.
That's a big one. Wow. Woo!
Wow, look at that sucker. Woo! Boy, that's a fish, man. Wow.
See the cactus on the cliff. Because we have caught more than we needed to already. Never thought I'd say that about fishing, but Captain Brian sharpening his knife, getting ready for the fillet.
Picture of these guys.
Beautiful.
Hey,
¿Cuánto levantaron? 8. ¿Dónde?
get out of the way here. I'm in the way.
The opportunists are here. You're too little. All right, no worries, nation.
It's kind of early for yellowtail, isn't it?
No,
Worst day fishing's better than the best day working.
we're winter fishing.
This was a great day fishing.
Dorado is
Okay, Dean, let's walk on down here.
All right, No Worries Nation. After the fish today, here it is. We got the spices, we got the infused butter, we got corn cakes because the oven wouldn't work, so we had to make pancakes out of it. And here's my mom, who taught me the beginning of all this cooking and stuff. Macaroni and cheese, which I was raised on.
Kraft.
Kraft macaroni and cheese. But I had to throw a little bit extra in it. You know how I am, guys.
Sour cream. Oh, we didn't put sour cream.
No, we
used
put cream cheese. So I think we're going to be okay on that. Say hi to No Worries Nation, Mom.
Hey,
And
bye.
this is the end of the trip for fishing, and it's going to be great. I go home in a day and a half, and this is a great time here, and we're coming back next year for sure.
We're running.
All right.
We're running.
So we're doing our final infuse and sear down on the grill.
Oh, bud.
So that,
Oh, my God.
bud. So that it's cooked to perfection.
I'm salivating.
And it's not sticking. Look at that. Look at that. Just like it's supposed to be.
Just like you'd want it.
Under the best conditions.
Yep. What a fisherman.
Oh.
First double of the day.
We got capers, we got garlic, we got lemon,
We got yellowtail.
we got olive oil, we have butter. The butter brings olive oil down to where it'll sear nicely.
And Tim had 2 pieces of tail today.
2 pieces of tails, first time in years.
Woo-hoo.
And that's how we roll at No Worries Nation.
Boom, bada boom. This is what yellowtail really deserves to be.
Yes,
Champagne and fresh fish out of the ocean.
I shall cheers to that.
Kaboom.
Cheers. What do you think, Mom?
I don't know. I'm not thinking. I'm starved.
I think another end to a perfect day in the perfect way.
Absolutely.
It's 80 degrees, a little ocean breeze, no worries. And we're in. This is concludes our fishing day that couldn't have been better because we had 8 fish in less than 2 hours.
And bon appetit.
Bon
With your
appetit.
dad.